Apple marketers removed last year's iPhone X from the current lineup. Fortunately, a smartphone without obvious jams and flaws can still be found at resellers. At the moment, it is almost the most successful purchase among all iPhone models. Here are 6 reasons to choose last year's flagship. 1. There are not many differences from the iPhone XS. Of course, there are new innovations of this year, but not all users are ready to pay for them. In topic, all differences iPhone XS from iPhone X. In short, the iPhone XS has an improved hardware, camera, moisture protection, and a screen with an extended dynamic range. Those who are really important changes in the iPhone XS, we will not discourage the purchase of the flagship. The rest boldly recommend to look at last year's model. 2. iPhone XS at the start is more expensive. A year ago, the official price for the new iPhone X was nearly $1,340, and for the iPhone XS, this is already asking for $1,490. Inflation, the rate of the national currency and all that, but is a set of innovations worth the price difference? By the end of October, the prices for the 10 will significantly decrease, especially after the start of sales of the iPhone XR. The price tag will depend heavily on the remnants of the model in warehouses. In any case, the price from $672 to $941 will make the iPhone X quite a bargain. 3. The iPhone X has no problems with accessories. You already know that the iPhone XS has minor differences in the size of the camera module, so the covers from the dozens will crease onto the new flagship. Sturdy models will wear out over time, and soft cases may bristle or rumple. To suffer this with a smartphone for $1,492? Not everyone can. We'll have to either take the original expensive accessories, or hope that third-party manufacturers will not be deceived, simply adding the iPhone XS to the list of compatible models. On the iPhone X, you can now without any problems find any desired accessory. 4. iPhone X is better than iPhone XR. Not the top new iPhone XR at the start will cost $1,152. Already, for this money you can buy an iPhone X, and in fact the model is much better in many ways. iPhone XR is equipped with a 6.1-inch LCD screen of the previous generation with a miserable 1792x828 resolution. The Matrix is morally obsolete and will soon look like a MacBook Air screen compared to modern displays. The novelty does not support 3D touch, without which it will not be possible to perform certain actions, quickly clear notifications and conveniently move the cursor over the keyboard with a swipe. The iPhone XR has just one 12-megapixel camera module with a /1.8 wide-angle lens. Forget about cool photos with bokeh effect, blur will be, but only software, and 2-fold optical approximation. And the XR has quite noticeable frames around the display, which are decently larger than the frames of the iPhone X/XS. 5. iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR are not yet run in. If you do not compare the iPhone X exclusively with the XS model, but look towards the other new products, then the situation is not so promising. The budget iPhone XR loses in many ways, see above, and the iPhone XS Max has no clear advantages over the screen and the battery. Unlike the Plus models, they did not improve the camera here. At the same time, both iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR models are completely new in terms of technology. New components, the location of the modules, the layout of parts, etc. The devices have not yet undergone a normal operating cycle. In the first months, shoals and illnesses of early versions of the product may appear. 6. iPhone X is really better than older models. The long-awaited design change and stunning frameless display make the iPhone X really different from the iPhone 6/SIXS/7/8. This is a completely different product, and not a prolonged operation of a proven model over the years. The prices on the iPhone 7/8 are really encouraging now. You can find the 7th for $538, and the 8th for $650. But as soon as you put them next to the iPhone X, the choice becomes obvious. It is only necessary to wait a few weeks for the price of the top 10 to drop a little more. And then it will be just the best choice.